Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a DIY face serum. If you haven't already, I'm going to leave a link below so you guys can check out the other two of this series. So one of them is a face and body exfoliator, and then a facial mask. So for today we're going to be doing a face serum, and this one is really special to me because it was inspired by my grandmother. So when I was little, she would always rub the aloe plant all over her skin, and she had the most beautiful, soft, radiant skin a girl has ever seen. So this one is kind of special to me because I revamped it and kind of made it even better than just using the aloe plant by itself, so your skin can look so radiant. It's really great with like acne. It's really soothing for the skin. It's very calming. Just the smell of it, you guys are gonna see, it's gonna be so great. Yeah, but also thank you guys so much for sharing and commenting and liking the videos. You guys are seriously the best. Please keep sharing them. It means a lot to me. And let me know if you guys like this serum situation or if you try it at home. Please tag me in your videos. I would love to repost you guys. Sending you guys lots of love. Let's get started with the video. Alright, so for this concoction, you're going to need 3 ingredients. The first one being aloe, some collagen pills, and lastly some lavender oil. But before you get started, make sure that you have already peeled off the skin from the plant using a vegetable peeler, and then using the same vegetable peeler, you're going to start rubbing the plant back and forth, extracting the gel into a little dish. So here's a fun fact for you guys. So the Egyptians actually called the aloe plant the plant of immortality. So I feel like my grandma low-key knew what she was doing. That's why her skin always looked so beautiful. So the aloe plant is also very soothing. It's super moisturizing. It helps with hair growth. It reduces blemishes and inflammation. And it's packed with vitamin C and E to give your skin the most beautiful glow. As you can see, I've extracted the gel into this little dish. I would say it's about 5 milliliters, but I mean, honestly, you can keep extracting more and store it in your fridge for about a week if you would want to do that. And the consistency of this is just like a clear gel. To this, I'm going to add a collagen capsule. So collagen is one of the main constituents of skin, and it's responsible for the structure and integrity of your skin. So that's what keeps you young and fresh and bouncy. So once you have added the capsule, you just want to make sure that you are mixing it around so that you don't have any lumps or clumps. Also, be sure to check out the other DIY videos. I'll leave a link below so you guys can check those out. Alright, so after I have mixed everything in, I'm adding a drop of lavender oil. So this was so funny to watch because it was like such a slow pour. I transferred my essential oil into a fancier jar just because I'm being extra AF. But honestly, if you're using the bottle that it comes with, it's going to be super easy just to get 1 drop into the little bowl. So once that's done, just mix it up. And to apply the serum, I'm just using circular motions and rubbing it all over my skin. So the lavender oil is really great for diminishing sunspots. So if you have any darkness, lavender oil is amazing. And combined with the aloe, you're going to see some amazing results. You guys are going to have a baby soft skin. Lavender oil is also anti-inflammatory. It smells so good, giving you such a soothing experience, which is one of the reasons that I decided to incorporate this into the serum. Lavender oil is also really amazing for scars. It helps treat acne, and since the serum helps promote hair growth, you can also use it on your eyebrows as I'm doing here. So for that, I just took a little spoolie and ran it through my brows and set them into place. This is definitely like a maximum hold brow product. Like, I don't think there's anything in the market that's comparable to this. So if you do want to try something for your brows, this is a great DIY version. You can also use the serum as a gel alternative. So for my all natural girls, this is the perfect alternative to gel. And since it does promote hair growth, you're not only laying down your baby hairs, but you are also helping them grow. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY serum. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the glow up with your friends. Don't be stingy. I'll be talking to you guys soon.